RPHPLC method development and validation of stability indicating assay for simultaneous determination of pantoprazole, diclofenac, chlorzoxazone in pharmaceutical dosage form. By Padmavati Sakinala, Harini Vahika, Ramu Bhadrama Raju, Yelanki Krishnaveni, K. Santosh B. Hush and Sandeep Attinti. Background: High-performance liquid chromatography, HPLC, is the fastest-growing analytical technique for the analysis of drugs. Its simplicity, high specificity and wide range of sensitivity make it ideal for the analysis of many drugs in both dosage forms and biological fluids. Objective: a simple, accurate, precise method was developed for the simultaneous estimation of the chlorzoxazone, pantoprazole, and diclofenac in solid dosage form. Method: the chemicals used were water HPLC grade, acetonitrile, triethylamine, potassium dihydrogen orthophosphate, and orthophosphoric acid. Chromatogram was run through BDSC 18150 x 4.6 mm, 5 m. Mobile phase containing 0.01% Kh2PO4 and acetonitrile in the ratio of 50:48 VV was pumped through column at a flow rate of 1.0 ml per minute. The buffer used in this method was 0.01% Kh2PO4. Temperature was maintained at 30 degrees Celsius. The optimized wavelength for chlorzoxazone, pantoprazole, and diclofenac was 229.0 nanometer. Results: in the estimation of the three drugs, 4 trials were conducted using various solvent systems, columns, and experimental conditions. The retention time of chlorzoxazone, pantoprazole, and diclofenac were found to be 2.229 minutes, 2.958 minutes, and 3.568 minutes. The percent RSD of system precision for chlorzoxazone, pantoprazole, and diclofenac was 0.9, 0.6, and 0.6, respectively. The percent RSD of the method, pantoprazole, and diclofenac were found to be 0.6, 1.0, and 0.7, respectively. The percent recovery was obtained as 99.86%, 100.07%, and 99.70% for chlorzoxazone, pantoprazole, and diclofenac respectively. LOD values obtained from regression equations of chlorzoxazone, pantoprazole, and diclofenac were 0.14 ppm, 0.24 ppm, and 1.83 pm, and LOQ values obtained from regression equations of chlorzoxazone, pantoprazole, and diclofenac were 0.42 ppm, 0.72 pm, 5.53 ppm respectively. The regression equation of chlorzoxazone was Y is equal to 8321.9. Plus 1397.8. Pantoprazole was Y is equal to 9806.1x plus 6071.7, and of diclofenac was Y is equal to 2575x plus 4338.4. Conclusion: sensitive detectors have transformed liquid column chromatography into high-speed, efficient, accurate, and highly resolved methods of separation. Retention times were decreased so that the method developed was simple and economical, hence it can be used in regular quality control tests in industries. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.